Welcome back to the Beginner's Bar. Scott here, and welcome to Mardi Gras. We're going to be making the Hurricane today. The Hurricane is a New Orleans classic and is really a drink that a lot of people enjoy, especially as especially for the summer, but especially also in New Orleans. Now, a key ingredient is Fashionola. Now, this is B.G. Reynolds Fashionola, but in New Orleans they use a batch of Fashionola that you can find on eBay, known as Old English, and you can get that. You can also pick up B.G. Reynolds, Amazon, link down below. You can also create your own, or if you don't want to use Fashionola because it might have mango or hibiscus and you're not a fan of that, you can use a passion fruit syrup. So I've never had one. Let's get into making this. Okay, so I've already juiced a couple limes, so I'm going to do a ½ ounce of lime juice. Now I'm going to do 3/4 of an ounce of Fashionola. Recap that. And now I need orange juice. This has been visited by the old-fashioned fairy a couple times. 3/4 ounce orange juice. Going to use 2 rums. People say use a light rum. Dark rum. That's really not like a good way to go about it, but if you want to use Bacardi Gold, Bacardi Silver, and Bacardi Black, cool. Me, I'm gonna use a rum I haven't used before, Florida Cognac, and I need an ounce of that. And now I also need an ounce of dark rum. I'm using Appleton State Reserve blend. An ounce of dark rum. All that's into the tin. Now I need to get a good bit of cracked ice. Right back. Now I have a lot of cracked ice in here, a lot of crushed ice. Mary, Pop, give this a good shake. It's gonna be a shake and dump. Gotta be careful. Oh wow, not much for a hurricane. Guess we'll call that a category 1. Come on, grab a straw, in like so. That is a hurricane. Cheers. That's interesting. Very tart, which doesn't surprise me. I mean, we're not using anything that has sugar. Aside from, a little bit of Fashionola. The rums play well together. I was a little bit apprehensive because I'd never used Florida Cognac, but I have used Appleton State Reserve, and it blends well. Obviously, this is just completely out there in terms of size, but something that's meant to be enjoyed just as a whatever cocktail, something like this is fine, or red solo cup anyway. Not bad. If you like the video, then please hit the like button, subscribe, comment. What cocktail do you want me to do? First thing though, don't ask me to put anything on fire. Okay, that's not happening. All my socials down there in the block below. Find me on my personal YouTube channel. Try to stream Saturday nights, depending on how things work. And thanks for watching. I'll be back real soon with another cocktail to enjoy Mardi Gras. And the next cocktail you'll see will be a true New Orleans classic. Until then, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time with another cocktail. This is the Beginner's Bar.